I want to read some of these other things that are going on at the same time. Here we have the 1/20/2025, January 20th, 2025, mug 128. This is number 47, President Inauguration. He said Project 2025 activates. Seed 3 and trans-time wars initiate. That was the Guardian said. So this whole stuff set in motion the early beginning of the trans-time wars. And this has to do with raiders from the future. So I have no idea what this is going to look like, but I never have an idea what it's going to look like until it actually unfolds. That's how the work has always been. So this is when Project 2025 and the agenda behind it, both the one on the ground and also the one that involves multiple, interstellar races and their agendas. It begins on January 20th, and that's why we are leaving before that engages here. For people who can't, the frequencies that we will be able to activate in the European grids will hold frequency space open here. So the ascension portals and things will still be available in America, no matter where you live, even if it gets very uncomfortable on the surface. These activations will still, even though we're not living on the grids, the activations from what we're doing over there connect into these grids. And you'll see as we go through some of the things we're going to look at, some of the more picturesque diagrams tonight,